Hey guys, in this video we'll be creating our first Godot project and we'll explore the UI of Godot. Let us fire up Godot. Let's click New Project. Let's select our directory. I've created a specific directory for this series. Select the folder and let's name our project Exercise 1. Let's click Create and Edit. So this is the Godot interface. Let us explore its interface. Here we have the node tree, the node structure. So Godot is tree based. So what is tree structure? So let's click a 2D scene, for example. We have a root element. We can only have one root element per scene. We can imagine it as a tree. The tree has only one root and multiple branches, and each branch can has also multiple other branches. So for example, let us add another branch to this. It's called children. As you can see now, this is the root element and we have a child of it. Let's create another node. As we can see also, this is the grandparent, this is the child, and this is the child of this one. In Godot we can have multiple children, but we can have only one parent. So for example, this node, let us add another one. This node has now two children, but as we can see they have only one parent, and this node also have the root element as the parent. Here we have the folders and how we need to structure our projects. We put all our assets here and our folders here, so we can, for example, create the scene folder and the sprite folders. Here on the right side we have the properties of each node, like transform, the z-index, the visibility, and the materials. And here on the right we have the node. Here in the node we have signals and groups. We will discuss these in more details in later videos. Here we can select from 2D and 3D scene. And here we can select our scripts, and here we can see the Godot asset library. Here we can see the project settings. We can set the project settings from here, and we can also, for example, let's go to the display. We can here set our windows width and height, and if we want to make our windows scalable for all devices, we need to change here the stretch mode. We will explain this also in later details in future video. Here we can bind any action or any text to a specific action or key. We'll also explain this in later videos, but it's nice to know now where things are. You can also change the Godot layout, but I think that the default layout is the best layout and the more productive layout in Godot. So now this is it. It's actually a simple user interface, and we can here we have the move tool and the rotation and the scaling and the pan. And if we have, for example, if we choose a tile map, we will have here different options. Let us add, for example, a tile map. We will have also some specific actions specified for tile maps. We will explore all of this in later videos. So in the next video we'll explain and talk about some theory of game development. So this is it for this video, and I hope you like it. So see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.